गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स। टुडे इज 13th ऑफ मई। रात के बज रहे हैं 9 और हम लोग कर रहे हैं मार्केट की एनालिसिस। लेट्स स्टार्ट। चलिए, इफ यू लुक एट द टुडेज मार्केट यू विल फाइंड व्हाट मार्केट में एक्चुअली नथिंग इज हैपनिंग इन अ कॉन्क्रीट सेंस। यस, व्हाई सो? एक्चुअली द वॉलेटिलिटी इन द मार्केट इज सच ए ग्रेट। ये देखिए, इफ यू लुक एट द विक्स, आप विक्स को देखेंगे यू विल फाइंड विक्स 20 का लेवल को क्रॉस कर चुका है। जस्ट सी, विक्स कहाँ 10 के लेवल पे था और अचानक से इट शूट अप टू 20 लेवल। दिस रिजेंबल्स व्हाट? दिस रिजेंबल्स द वॉलेटिलिटी इन द मार्केट। ठीक है, तो इट मींस द वॉलेटिलिटी इन द मार्केट हैज इंक्रीज्ड अ लॉट in recent times during the general elections. ठीक है, in the weekly time frame also it has given a breakout. It means this volatility that we have experienced in the last 3 weeks, this is going to increase till the 4th of June when the election results will be declared. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to bear with, you have no other option other than to bear with this volatility. But what we can do is to trade less in derivative sections, but we can very well make our positions इक्विटी में, कैश में हम अपनी पोजिशंस को इसमें बिल्टअप कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, लेकिन उसके लिए क्या है कि भले ही आप ट्रेड करें या ना करें, बट व्हाट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट इज to look at your positions, to look at the charts carefully, and wherever you find the opportunity, wherever you find the market is stabilizing, try to start building your positions. And if at any point in time we get a sense that the market is going to tank from here, we'll create the short position also. So analyzing the market, analyzing your charts, doing your homework daily on daily basis, and especially when the volatility in the market is huge, it is better to analyze the market in end of the day basis. What I have done is I have reduced my positions in the market to 1/3 cash positions. I have stopped the leverage positions in the market since January. But अगर आपको फिर भी अगर if you want to find the opportunity in the market, आपको मार्केट को बहुत क्लोजली you have to monitor it on daily basis. ठीक है, चलिए एक बार मार्केट की बात कर लेते हैं। निफ्टी, देखिए अपने निफ्टी की वॉल्यूम बढ़ गई। ये है निफ्टी फ्यूचर्स का चार्ट। इफ यू लुक एट दिस, द मार्केट इज डूइंग व्हाट? इट इज कंसोलिडेटिंग, जो कि जिस चीज की बात हम इतने दिन से कर रहे हैं, एक नैरो रेंज में इट इज कंसोलिडेटिंग। ठीक है, सेम थिंग यू कैन सी इन द वीकली टाइम फ्रेम आल्सो। बट व्हाट has happened in today's trading session is, see, ये चीज हमने आपको पहले भी बताया है कि व्हाट has happened is मार्केट ने इन द लास्ट ट्रेडिंग सेशन मार्केट में यहाँ पे एक बॉटम बनाया था, देख रहे, और exactly from the bottom market has tried to bounce from here. This bounce back can go up to this level 22,400। ठीक है, यहाँ तो जा सकता है, लेकिन if it breaks the previous swing low, ये जो बॉटम इसने बनाया है, if it break this level, इसका मतलब है मार्केट लोअर लो लोअर हाई स्ट्रक्चर्स में मूव करना स्टार्ट कर देगा। तो अगर मार्केट इसके नीचे जाएगा, we will initiate the short trade over here. मार्केट में एक बार यहाँ पे हमने शॉर्ट ट्रेड बनाया था और यहाँ पे हमने कवर किया था। अब क्या कर रहा है, अगर मार्केट बाउंस बैक तो आज इसने कर लिया है, लेकिन देखिए अगर आप पूरे इंडेक्स को खंगालेंगे तो पाएंगे कि 10 की चीजें होंगी क्यों मार्केट में पुल बैक आया। पुल बैक आया, अमित शाह जो कि हमारे होम मिनिस्टर हैं, उनका स्टेटमेंट है कि बीजेपी इज गोइंग टू कम बैक टू इट्स पावर एंड anybody who wants to buy something, buy it before 4th of June, before the declaration of the election, because market is going to trend in a single direction and that is upside। ठीक है, इसलिए मार्केट में थोड़ा सा लास्ट आवर्स में as and when its interview in the market sorry in the television goes viral, मार्केट में एक पुल बैक आया। ठीक है, लेकिन हमें इसको किसी भी सेंस में नहीं देखना है। वी हैव टू एनालाइज इट वेरी रैशनली बेस्ड ऑन द चार्ट्स, एंड व्हाट वी सी इज मार्केट जब तक इसके प्रीवियस स्विंग हाई यहाँ तक नहीं जाता है, it is in consolidation phase, and if it breaks its previous swing high like this is the point where you can initiate the short. ठीक, तो मार्केट के इन दोनों लेवल्स के बीच में हमें देखना चाहिए. रेस्ट इज, अगर आप इसको देखें सुपर ट्रेंड ऑन द वीकली टाइम फ्रेम इज नेगेटिव, तो बिफोर मार्केट टू गो बुलिश it has to cross its previous swing high in the very time frame. RSI भी देखें तो RSI ये देखिए, RSI 60 के नीचे आ चुका है, जो कि नवंबर 23 के बाद पहली बार हुआ है. MACD ऑलरेडी इसने सिग्नल दे दिया है. MACD ने ऑलरेडी इसको कोशिश कर दिया था बुलिश, इसको जब जिसने सेल सिग्नल दिया था. ठीक है, तो कोई कहने की बात नहीं है. नेक्स्ट इज बैंक निफ्टी बात करते हैं सीक्वेंसली. बैंक निफ्टी की बात करें तो बैंक निफ्टी जिस चैनल की हम बात कर रहे थे, बैंक निफ्टी एग्जैक्टली उसी चैनल में मूव कर रहा है. ये देखिए, देखिए तो शानदार चैनल मूवमेंट कर रहा है, और ऑलमोस्ट चैनल के लोअर एंड से ही उसमें एक बाउंस बैक देखने को मिल रहा है. लेकिन बैंक निफ्टी जो है इट इज अपने रेजिस्टेंस के पास आ गया है, एंड इट्स सुपर ट्रेंड इन द वीकली टाइम फ्रेम इज आल्सो नेगेटिव. Yes, this chart is also cautious. RSI, it has dipped. It has taken resistance from its RSI 60. So what we are witnessing is RSI, whether it is Nifty, Bank Nifty, all the indices, their RSI in the daily time frame, they are oscillating between 40 and 60 level. This is the 60 level and the 40 level. It means they're in consolidation zone. And its MACD is showing what? It is losing momentum. So you have to be very cautious. Market can give huge movement either of the side, and you have to get ready for that. ठीक है. Mid cap nifty की बात करें तो we talk about the mid cap nifty, we'll find what? ये देखिए, मिड कैप निफ्टी क्या हुआ था. मिड कैप निफ्टी ने यहाँ पे एक ब्रेकआउट दिया था at this point of time. It was expected that this breakout may sustain, but ultimately what happened? मार्केट ने टैंक किया, टैंक करने के बाद वापस से दे रहा है. तो मार्केट टू मिड कैप निफ्टी जब तक MACD weekly time frame में doesn't become buy, unless its RSI start trading above 60 in a stable manner and its price was its previous swing high, any type of stable movement in mid cap nifty one cannot expect. But if you're trading the mid cap nifty based on its weekly time frame, you'll find the stock is very much, chart is very much making its higher high, higher low structure. So ultimately the trend in the mid cap nifty is intact, though it has lost its momentum on the weekly time frame. It is consolidating, it is oscillating between RSI 60 and 40 level in the daily time frame. Everything is giving a signal that it is consolidating. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to wait for its chart to break its previous swing high. Once it goes above it, it will be long. Once it goes below its previous swing low, it will be a short candidate. एक बार हम अपने पोर्टफोलियो की बात कर लें. Zomato, कुछ नहीं करना है. We are just though in the daily time frame it is negative by 3.48%, but what we have discussed, हमारा entry level क्या होता है? As soon as its RSI crosses 60 level and MACD is a buy, price gives a previous swing high, this is the entry level. ठीक है. With this super trend as a stop loss, यहाँ पे super trend become negative, we exited it. Again when it become positive, we made an entry in this stock. ठीक है. और last time when we made an entry at this point of time around 150, not even a single time this Zomato gave a exit here. So we are riding this chart with this as a stop loss of 181. Presently the price is what? Presently the price is 194. We have set a stop loss of 181, the super trend stop loss with ATR value 1. Once it goes below this 181 level, we'll exit the quantity. And if it again bounce back and become a positive, we'll re-enter. Nothing to worry. And the next stock is Cochin Shipyard. Yes, this is the one update I want to share with you guys in today's trading session, as it has become its super trend has become, though it is not the closing basis, but even in the intermediate, as the stock has already rallied much, and if you look at its P, its P has also increased. It has expanded a lot. So a cool off in such type of stock can be expected. So as the super trend has become negative, we have exited it quantity fully. Generally what happens, suppose here super trend यहाँ पे negative हुआ था, but as the stock has not rallied a lot, we generally exit 50% of the trade quantity and we wait for the under 50% to develop according to this. Suppose at this point of time it against it becomes buy, we deploy the 50% quantity that we exited at the top. लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या किया हमने, we have exited the full 50%, 100% quantity. Okay, the next stock is what? Next stock is DMart. ये देखिए, if you look at its DMart, it broke out this consolidation zone. यहाँ पे इसने breakout दिया, and since then the stock we are holding this stock. हमने यहाँ पे एंट्री करी थी क्योंकि इसका RSI यहाँ पे 60 हो गया था and MACD ने buy signal दिया था. Now we are sitting tight on this stock with this super trend of 4520 as a stop loss. Till the time it is above it, till the time it is moving higher high, we are holding this stock. Once it breaches its previous swing low or it breaches its super trend level, we'll exit the stock. But चूंकि यहाँ पे भी रैली ज़्यादा सब्सटेंशियल नहीं हुई है, in the very first go, if it becomes super trend become negative in the mid of the week, we exit 50% quantity only. And if during the Friday, if super trend remains negative, we exit the 400 balance 100% quantity. This is generally the philosophy that I follow in my trading positions. Okay. Next is Adani Power. Yes. As the volatility in the market has increased a lot, considering its RSI in the weekly time frame, a negative signal, we have exited the full 100% quantity. Though the price is not breaking down, right? Super trend is still holding the price, but just considering the volatility and the risk stock, if anything happens to the BJP, even if BJP loses ground in the general elections, it loses seats, the seats that it has anticipated. अगर इसमें थोड़ा कमी आती है, there is every possibility that Adani type of the stocks which runs on the behest of the ruling party, they may tank. So structurally, it is very great. It is showing, it has given a very large breakout and is still holding it. But being on the safer side, I have exited it. As I have exited this stock, it would be better to let it change. यहाँ से इसको बाहर कर लेते हैं. Yes. ओहो, मारुति बाहर आ गया. I'm still holding the Maruti, man. There's no point. Dani, this is the Dani. Okay. Let's take it down. Yes. कोचिन को भी मैं एग्जिट कर दिया हूँ, उसको भी नीचे ला देंगे. Yes, let's take it down. Then CDSL. Let's take CDSL. Let's be in the market. ठीक है. तो नेक्स्ट स्टॉक जो हम डीमार्ट ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड, भारती की बात कर लें. दिस इज द रिसेंट एडिशन में स्टॉक दो है, जैसे मैंने आपको एक दिन अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में इंटीमेट भी किया है कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा लॉन्ग टर्म पर्सपेक्टिव से तो हमने इसे एंट्री नहीं किया था, बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट enter this stock at this point of time. This was the ideal entry for any stock which is moving in good structures. Its risk to reward ratio is not that great, but with this super trend as a stop loss, we have made a short entry in this stock. If it breaks this previous swing low, super trend level, will exit it. And if it starts moving and break its previous swing high, we'll deploy the balance 50% of the quantity. We have purchased half a lot in the cash. If it breaks its previous high, will add the other half and make it a full lot of 450 quantity. चलिए, next stock is CDSL. CDSL, it is still holding, but as my allocation was great. Okay, let us finish our, what should I say, dinner ready है तो बंद कर देते हैं. बाकी की एनालिसिस कल. Thank you.